Have you ever wondered what makes a Twix bar so irresistibly delicious? Today, we're breaking down the perfect combination of crunchy cookies and creamy caramel to understand its timeless appeal. Twix bars are known for their three-layer structure, a rich chocolate coating, smooth caramel filling, and crunchy cookie base. This unique combination has been delighting snackers since its introduction. The crunchy cookie layer is made from a blend of flour, sugar, and spices, giving it a satisfying texture. This base supports the gooey caramel center, which adds sweetness and chewiness to each bite. The caramel layer in Twix is made from a mixture of sugar, corn syrup, and butter. This combination ensures that the filling remains gooey and sweet, without being overly sticky or hard. Twix Minis come in a convenient resealable bag, allowing you to enjoy the perfect combination of cookie and caramel on the go. Each piece is individually wrapped for freshness. Twix bars are available in various sizes, from small minis to larger full-size packs with 2 sticks each. The packaging makes them ideal for sharing or as a personal treat anytime. From its crunchy cookie base to the gooey caramel center and rich chocolate coating, Twix has captivated taste buds for generations. Its classic combination of flavors continues to be a favorite among snack lovers. So there you have it, the perfect blend of cookie, caramel, and chocolate in every Twix bar. What's your favorite part about a Twix? Let us know in the comments.